Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to open Roblox Studio Explorer tab not showing. Open Roblox Studio. When doing so, click on the menu View. Now in the corner, click on Explorer. As a result, in the side panel, you will have access to all the available options of the Roblox Studio Explorer. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.